Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, and today with the 2021 Porsche 911 GT3, the newest model of the 911 family. Brand new, just arrived. Even it's my first look at the car, and what do you say? It looks amazing. Porsche, you've done a great job again, I have to say. We start from the front as usual. Now look at this massive front. You got a big air intake down here, and what is more important, let's go closer to the car. These are not fake intakes. They are really for airflow, for cooling, etc., and airflow. So it goes through here and through here. Very, very good looking. Actually, it reminds me a little bit on the GT2 RS. I think it has nearly the same front bonnet design. Here we have on this GT3 a beautiful gray metallic color. It's called Achat Gray. Very, very nice color, especially for a GT3, because not many people like explosive color, like if you have yellow, Miami blue, or the bright green. A lot of people more like understatement colors, which is this gray, and it matches perfectly in this specific configuration with the golden accents. Like you have the Porsche sign, of course, it's really gold, but then you got the stickers. The sticker set, which is on the whole car. So you got it on the trunk bonnet, on the roof, on the rear spoiler. But let's start first with the side. So here you see it also. The wheels and the side sticker, also in gold. You got here the nice Pirelli wheels in gold, or goldish design, let's say goldish design. 20-inch wheels with a central lock in black. But what is more amazing is what I really like. I'm not sure if it's true, but I think Porsche has the best steel brakes you can have on a car. So you don't need the ceramic brakes unless you drive maybe on the racetrack a lot of times. But even though on the racetrack you don't necessarily need the ceramic brakes, the steel brakes are mostly enough. And for normal street driving anyway, people don't use the ceramic brakes to the limit. So a steel brake is fine. It's one of the best steel brakes you can have, my opinion. It's a beautiful combination. So you have gray, you have gold, and one little accent, which is in the red caliper. It's perfect. I think the choice of the configuration of the car here is really how I would like to have the car. It would be my own. Now on the side, you see the Porsche lettering in also goldish color. And also on the roof, take a look at the roof. Here you have also the golden stripe or goldish stripe. And it continues also on the rear spoiler. Now from the back. It looks much more aggressive, to be honest, than the older ones, because now you have a massive rear diffuser. If you look like here, with all the air flaps, it's really, really, aggressive. Lowers the car more, even more. And it has also a nice sound, but we're gonna listen to it later. Black exhaust pipes, the rear lighting. I think I said it in one of the last videos from Porsche, because I like this full rear light from one side completely to the other side. Very, very nice looking, especially at night, of course. You will notice a Porsche immediately. And what is also new is the rear spoiler. Because now the spoiler has a new, how can I say it? It's been fixed new. It's fixed like this. In German it's called, I think, Schwanenhals. Transferred to English, I don't want to do that because I think I will get it wrong. But the design is made new, not the design, but the fixing. Like this is now like this and not under the spoiler. So it comes from the top and it's hauled from the top. Brand new. And the aerodynamics are incredible on the GT3, like every time Porsche brings a new GT3. And I mean, the looks itself, wow. And still, though it's a daily driver, you can use it. It's not as hard as the RS version, which will also come later. Seats are full carbon fiber racing seats. In our case, with the 4-point harness. You have carbon fiber interior, you have carbon fiber kick plates with GT3, of course, very nice. Small little details. Stitching here is in white. perfectly matching to the seat. Stitching here, white, white. Very nice, an understatement. Nice, also small carbon fiber in the door. And a Bose sound system to provide you good sound inside. But anyway, you don't want to listen to the sound from the music box, you want to listen to the sound of the engine. So, shall we take a closer look to the inside? So, welcome to the inside. Let me prepare first. All right, now I'm ready to take off. Let's start with starting the car. First of all, look at this gauge here, please. Here. There will appear, oh, a little Porsche. Maybe you saw it. So, nice sound. I like it. You will hear it from the outside later. So, I'm gonna start with the normal steering wheel. You have a small sports steering wheel, an Alcantara. So it's you have a lot of grip and you can hold it. You have like flappy pedals, you can say like this, small ones. Yeah. Actually, you have a cruise control, so not like many years ago where GT3 was only for racing. Now you got a cruise control. If you on the highway, you want to set the cruise and be easy. You have like a small multifunction steering wheel through voice assist, navigation, telephone, and for the menu. And the drive select, the drive mode. You can change it over here. Normal, sport, and track. So, whatever you feel like, whatever your capabilities are, your skills, you can choose. I'm gonna choose now normal. You have these gauges, and as Porsche usual, you have the rev counter in the middle. And the car goes up to, whoa, 9,000 RPM, which is incredible. I'm not gonna push it onto there because it's a brand new car. You can see it at 53 kilometers only. And the speedometer is up to 350. Actually, I'm not sure what the car can do, but I'm sure it's above 300, maybe 320, but I'm not 100% sure. I have to look it up as well. That's for here. And the center dashboard. What comes to your mind is, of course, from the chrono package, the stopwatch. So you can make lap times if you want. You have now the time there. You can use it or not. So in the center console, oh, by the way, the key. Very nice from Porsche, looks like a car. With Porsche symbol. So we got a manual. Haha, no. It's automatic transmission. Better said, it's double clutch. It looks like a manual actually, but it's the double clutch. Very nice. I was shocked. I was like, oh, we got a manual. No, you look twice, then you see it. So in the front, you have, what is very important, a lifting system to lift up the front of the car. If there are speed bumps or anything, lift up the car. Don't risk any scratches on the rear roofs, on the front spoiler. I'm sorry for the front spoiler. So lift it or lower it. Suspension, you can change the suspension type. Hazard lights, the traction control off, ESC off, both things off, and you're gonna fly if you cannot control the car. Climate control is now set. Wow, why so low? Let's do 19 degrees and automatic. Climate control over here now, very interesting. To be honest, I don't think it's the perfect place because it's nearly straight up to the sky, so it's really hard to see. I wish they would have done it a little bit more like visually detectable for the driver. So if you look on it, you see it hardly. So let's turn it off. Here, center console is in carbon fiber. And, oh, sorry, I have to go to park. Carbon fiber over here. And the seats are in carbon fiber. The front dashboard is in carbon fiber, if you can see, like here. Everything. It's the small interior carbon fiber package. But I think you need it for the GT3 because carbon fiber is sporty. If you have like, I don't know, wood or anything like that, it wouldn't fit to the car. So carbon fiber was the right choice here. You have a lightning package. Wait, can I? Here. You can see it over here. This is for the interior lighting package. You got some LED lights in very nice color. makes my gloves look even whiter. You have a full Alcantara headliner. Some small sun visors, actually with mirrors and lighted mirrors. Yeah, even such a sports car has to have mirrors. The exterior mirrors and the inside mirror is dimming, so you can dim it. Navigation is on board. Of course, you can see it here. We are now here. You have touchscreen. Here you can control everything, system, driver's manual, vehicle. You put on, I have to put on the ignition, let me just turn it on. So whatever you like, locking, tire pressure, light visibility, chrono, climate control, you can steer everything through here. Sound from the radio, devices, and set special settings on the car. Bluetooth with audio streaming, of course. And let me just check one thing. Oh wait, no, it doesn't show the camera when I'm not turning on the car. Let's see now. There we got the rear view camera. You got parking sensors in the front and the rear, and the rear view camera is also needed, I think. So, anything else to say? No, we're gonna look at the trunk and we will look at the engine. Well, the engine is very hard to see, but more likely we're gonna listen to the engine from the outside. And I hope you like this car. For me, always Porsche has been like #1 in sports cars, because you can use them on the track, or you go to the grocery store, you go shopping, whatever. A Porsche can be used anywhere. So this is the biggest advantage from them. You can tonight go to the opera, start and stop. You can go tonight to the opera and tomorrow morning to the Nürburgring and drive, whatever you want. So that's perfect. So with the new GT3, Porsche, really well done. The car is beautiful. I'm not driving the car, I have not driven it, but from the looks and quality and the specs, what you see, wow, I really like this car. So let's take a look at the trunk and listen to the engine. Look at the trunk. Wow, this is light. Oh, of course, carbon fiber. Very light, you feel nothing. That's the trunk. Actually, this box is for the racing seat belts, Schrot, which is very popular. Porsche always uses them if they do the 4-point harnesses. Yeah, small trunk. You can put like 2 or 3 bags inside and drive away for a weekend or maybe 1 week. Well, bigger than expected. All right, and now what you've all been waiting for, let's listen to the engine.
Then on the beat.